So there's lots of change on the allotment today, and it's a super quick video just to show you around. Mostly just taking nets off, taking covers off, moving things around. Nice and versatile on my plot. Let me show you what I'm doing. So the biggest change is I've started to take coal frame tops off. So I've taken this coal frame top off. I'm leaving that one on because I'm going to be planting golden purslane in that, and it really benefits from having a cover. I'm leaving this one on just for now, but I should probably take that off next week. I'm keeping this one on because it's got my second early strawberries in it. I've taken this mesh cover off here because really these don't need protecting from the pigeons at this point, and I've moved it over onto this one, which has got my Brussels sprouts for leaves and cauliflowers in it. I've taken this one off because the peas are getting a bit hot now with that low tunnel on, so I had one of these on, and they're perfectly content now outside. And I've put that low tunnel down here over the early potatoes because we've still got plenty of frosts ahead of us now, and those potatoes need as much protection as they can get. I've taken the fleece off the peas, and the other low tunnels I'm leaving in place just because these are all going to be sweet peppers, all of these beds, and they need the low tunnels, so there's not a lot of point taking them off at this point, just to put them on again in a few weeks' time. Spinach and turnips and spinach and radish, these are fine without any protection now. And yeah, I've just taken the coal frame top off these onions because again these are fine now without any protection. I've just put a bit of mesh on just as a bit of a protection against the onion fly. And the little low tunnel that was over the spinach, that's gone as well because again the spinach is quite happy in this sort of weather. So quite a few changes, and it makes it a little bit easier for me to manage now because everything's a little bit cooler, so there's less opening and closing of beds and worrying about things getting overheated and the like. But these low tunnels propped up like that, there's plenty of ventilation there. They don't really overheat too much, and it's just possible that there's some advantage to them if we get another cold spell in the next few weeks. So I hope you like this quick video. My name's Steve, this is the Seaside Kitchen Garden and Allotment channel, and I'll see you soon.